Reachout Healthcare Science programme has been running for about 6 years now. It's aimed at 16-year-olds from local schools. It's aimed at students who are interested in science, who perhaps haven't ever thought of a career in healthcare science. So they get the chance to work across King's Health Partners. So they get to work in 3 large teaching hospitals. That's King's College Hospital, Guy's Hospital and St Thomas's Hospital, as well as get the chance to experience life in King's College London, this very large university, renowned university. And effectively they get to see themselves as healthcare scientists, even see themselves studying at university, and they get to experience have a true experience of what it's like.
My favourite thing was learning about nuclear medicine and how exactly it works and how they create the images. It was an interactive session. It was very interesting.
Okay.
Oh, this week has been really good. I think mostly I enjoyed the interactive workshops that we had on sleep and audiology, which is what we made our poster on, because they were really interactive, they were fun, they helped us learn so much, and I found out so much that I'd never known before, so it's been really good.
I was introduced to a lot more topics to do with healthcare science. Like, for example, I didn't know that audiology was involved in healthcare science, but it blew my mind away just learning about audiology. And yeah.
I would just say learning about the different types of healthcare sciences, because I didn't know that there were as many as there were.
Yeah.
So I think that learning about them gave me a wider range of options as to what I want to go to in the future.
I think the lectures we had, we were taught about how to actually reach those positions in healthcare science in terms of training programs and stuff was really helpful.
Basically, they get to take part in lots of activities during the week. They see things like cardiology or audiology, or get to understand how an MRI scanner works. And then they get to hear about the various different career pathways that are open to them in order to become a healthcare scientist. And as well as that, they get to make a poster of what they've learnt, the things that they've been most interested in, and they get to present that to their peers, which is challenging, as well as their parents who attend on the final day. And they also get to present it back to the healthcare scientists who taught them, who judge these posters, and there's some prizes which are given for the best scientific poster, or the best poster presentation, or the best overall design. And it's a really enjoyable week. The students really get a lot out of it, because at King's Health Partners, there's a lot of authenticity to the week. They get to see real environments, real rooms, real equipment, and more importantly, real scientists delivering these activities. So it's really highly regarded, and we get lots and lots of positive feedback from our students.
My favourite thing was meeting the healthcare sciences and see where you can get with like healthcare science and finding the pathways. So like you don't need to be like completely smart and know everything to get into healthcare science. You can do anything and get in. So it's quite interesting to see the different pathways to healthcare.
I enjoyed lab tours, experiencing like the different career options and the different pathways you can go to in healthcare science. Before this, I didn't know how many career options there were for me if I went into healthcare science. So I feel like this has helped me a lot to broaden my views and open my more career options.
On the first day, I wasn't too keen. Like, I was like, oh, healthcare science, I don't know where it is.
Yeah.
But then when they actually tell you where it is and they explain to you, they show you the different roles and like they explain to you, like they talk to you, you can feel the passion. Like it's all about like the passion they portray. Like
Keep going towards your passion, whatever subjects you're interested in. Do research, which is the most important thing, and people that specialise in those topics, I'd say talk to them, get in touch with them, because they'll help you a lot.
Great.